I was wrong about the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin. I hope you guys can forgive me. Please forgive me. You guys only have a few days left to get yourself a pair of Palomino Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 200 likes. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button right now. Join the Moore family. We're on the road to 70,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the Moore family. Comment down below, let me know your size in the Palomino Air Jordan 1, and then DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, DM me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the Palomino Air Jordan 1 giveaway. This giveaway ends at the end of September. You guys only have a few days left. The giveaway winner will be here on a YouTube video the beginning of October. So make sure you guys come back to the channel to find out who wins a pair of Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. And if you guys want me to give away a pair of J Balvin Air Jordan 3s next, make sure you guys get this video up to 200 likes. My t-shirt matches my Air Jordan 3 J Balvin's perfectly. This t-shirt is made by Outright Brand. Outright Brand makes a bunch of clothing to match your sneakers. Each and every week, we get new sneaker releases. Outright Brand makes new hype clothing to match sneakers. Outright Brand clothing does sell out very quickly, so you guys need to be on top of the releases. Go cop the J Balvin release right now, and if you guys don't have the J Balvins, don't worry, you can still wear this t-shirt with a bunch of your favorite sneakers. So make sure you guys check out Outright Brand. The link is down below in the description, and use my code DannyMoore for 10% off your order. And Outright Brand will be having a collection, of course, for the playoff 8s. Thanks, Outright Brand, for sponsoring this video. Ah, man. Tough to admit when you're wrong, but sometimes in life you have to admit that you're wrong. You know, as a human being, sometimes we're wrong. We're going to get things wrong. Sometimes we're going to get things right. It's a part of life. And, yeah, man, I was wrong. I was wrong about the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin. I was definitely wrong. And I have to apologize to you guys. I hope you guys can forgive me. Man, not right about this one. That sucks. Damn. Not a good feeling. You know, not a good feeling to be wrong at all. It's a letdown. It's a letdown. It sucks. Doesn't feel good. You know, you want to be right. You hope to be right. And, yeah, just part of life, I guess, right? Being a human being. And you're just going to make mistakes. And you got to learn from those mistakes. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to continue to move forward. And, yeah, man, this sucks. I've been wrong before. I'm sure I'll be wrong again. You know, that's a part of life. That's a part of being a human being a man, and, you know, realizing that and accepting that and learning from those things in life. And it's really about how you portray it and, you know, move forward as a human and learn from your mistakes in life. And try your best, absolute best, not to make those mistakes again, because it's just going to hold you back. And it's just not good, obviously, in life to make a bunch of mistakes. And this right here was a mistake that I've made. And I got to apologize to you guys for this mistake that I've made. This sucks. So, let's talk about this mistake, because this stings. This mistake stings, it's stinging, and I think it's going to continue to sting. Man. Alright, so, here's where I went wrong. Here's what happened when it comes to the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin. I told you guys that I think this sneaker is going to drop in price. Resale was $450, nearly $500 on this sneaker, and well, I was right. Gotcha. I wasn't wrong. I was right. The price has dropped. There is one thing, before you click off, there is one thing that I am wrong about. Stick around. I'll explain in a minute. But as far as prices go, I was right. Prices have dropped on the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin. Prices have dropped. They're already starting to drop. Do I think they'll continue to drop? Yes. A lot of people's pairs are still not in, right? We do have pairs starting to come in from Nike. A lot of resellers that were able to backdoor a lot of pairs are just dumping them off because they don't want to hold a $450 sneaker. They want to move it, take their profits, and move on to the next release. A lot of resellers that backdoor early don't hold stock. They move it and move on to the next drop and replenish the money into the next drop. So, with that being said, prices are starting to come down. Pairs are starting to come in this week. They'll be coming in this week, next week, the week after, as well as from J Balvin's website. October 6th is when those pairs will be shipping out, so expect them the following week after that as well. Prices are coming down now. What does that mean? I think prices are going to drop even more. Like I said, I'm expecting these to drop to around $350 depending on size. I could be wrong on pricing, exact numbers. That's just my estimate. But we do see the price dropping, which is a good sign. Prices high 300s in the smaller sizes and low 400s now in the bigger sizes. For now, I do think prices will continue to drop on the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin. Will they go up? Will they be a good hold? In my opinion, no. Hey, if you guys disagree with that, let me know down below in the comments. Do you think that the Balvins here will have some potential like maybe the Doritos? I don't think so. I think the Dorito SBs are on a different level than the Jordan 3 J Balvin. The Balvins are dropping. The Doritos have not dropped since after release. So I think this is a different realm, but I don't think the Balvins here will really be worth holding. Will they go up to $500, $600, $700, $800? I don't think so. So I don't think it'll be really worth your money, your time, your investment. Potentially they could go up, but I think it'll just take way too long for that to happen. Now, let me tell you guys, what do I have to apologize to you guys for? My mistake. I was wrong. This sucks. I did it again. I've done it again, guys. You know what? On the Jordan 4 SB, the SB4s, the Pine Greens, I made a whole video crapping on the shoe, hating on that shoe, and then as time went on, I love that shoe. I love it. I have it in the collection. It's behind me right there. I love the SB4s. They're fire. It's one of the best shoes that's released all year. Well, the Balvins here, in pictures, wasn't crazy about them. Really wasn't. And having them in hand now, they're growing on me like crazy. So much to the point where I'm considering keeping a pair. Am I going to? I don't know. Considering it, though. Highly considering it. In pictures, I was not. Listen, in pictures, not at all. They reminded me a lot of the Jordan 3 Ama Manier, but the Ama Manier 3s, which I also have, are back there, are white. This is more of a cream color, more of that aged look, that yellow tint to it. And then you have a bunch of colors going on the back heel, which is not really for me. I'm not crazy about that. I think it's a good look. Like, I think it matches the shoe really well. It's just, how often am I going to pull this off on feet? That's what I'm really concerned about when it comes to the Balvins, for me personally. The outsole definitely is icy, and you guys are definitely going to need the best sole protector on the market, Drip Grip. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description and use my code DANNY10 for 10% off your order. No slips, no tears with Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. Make sure you guys check them out. I'll have a link down below in the description for you. So make sure you guys check out Drip Grip if you're putting it on your J Balvins, Jordan 11s, any expensive sneaker. You guys need your Drip Grip sole protectors. Definitely need those on there. Yeah, man, I was wrong. My opinion's done once again at 180. These are fire. They're a great shoe. They're cool. They're really nice. Quality, I can't get over how good the quality of the leather is. It's so nice. The one thing that's really stopping me from holding them and keeping them is I don't really care about J Balvin personally. You know, I don't. I'm not gonna be on my hype beast things and say, oh, I love him. No. I don't really care for him, to be honest. If I had to pick, I prefer Bad Bunny. I'm being honest. So I'm not crazy about the Balvin music itself. I'm not crazy about him. I don't know too much about him. I know, of course, who he is, but I'm not crazy about Balvin. I prefer Bad Bunny. It's as simple as that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the J Balvin Air Jordan 3s. Prices are dropping, which is cool. So with that being said, be patient. If you guys want a personal pair, be patient. You will have time. They are dropping in price, so you guys can wait it out to finally get your pair in hand for yourself. Wear them, enjoy them. It's a great quality sneaker, I must say. Quality is really nice of the leather, and it's J Balvin. So if you're a J Balvin fan, go ahead and cop. It's a great shoe. I understand why you want them, especially if you're a Balvin fan. It's like me with Travis Scott, Kanye West. I get it. 100%. So, yeah. Let me know if you guys copped the Balvin Air Jordan 3s. If you did, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you guys did not cop, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped the Jordan 3 J Balvin and who did not cop. These were extremely limited. Very limited, which is why I think a lot of people thought they would go up in price, but that's just not the case right now. If you guys look at the 1s and the 2s, prices are dropping on those. The 2s are nearly half of retail, well under retail. Retail is $300. You can get those for like $140, $150. And then the 1s, yes, they're still over retail, but they've dropped a lot since the release. So yeah, as time goes on, I think the 3s will drop too. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about the Balvins down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a pair of Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Listen, you guys only have a few days left until I'm giving the pair away. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. You guys will have a chance to win a pair of J Balvin Air Jordan 3s for only $25. So make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.